Check it out on Spotify!
Hey everybody! It's been quite a while since I've discussed Spotify on Apple Watch, and since then it's really changed. Spotify now has a great full-featured Apple Watch app that not only allows you to operate independently from your iPhone, but also allows you to control many different devices you have playing Spotify content. In this video, I'll go over the Spotify Apple Watch app and show you how to use it. Let's get to it! So first, of course, you'll need to have Spotify installed on your iPhone. Once it's set up, the app should be available on your Apple Watch. To access the app on the Apple Watch, you can launch the app like normal from your app list. However, it also has many different complications available as well. I would recommend putting a Spotify complication on your Apple Watch face if you plan to use it often for convenience. If you're not sure how to add or adjust complications, check out my Apple Watch user guide and tutorial in the card above. The free version of Spotify still requires your iPhone to be in Bluetooth range. However, if you have Spotify Premium, you can listen directly from your Apple Watch and listen offline without your iPhone in Bluetooth range. When using Spotify Premium, you can download music and podcasts to your Apple Watch so you can listen to them without an internet connection. This means you can leave your phone at home and take Spotify with you. You can store around 10 hours worth of downloads on your Apple Watch in most cases. More if you have more storage on your watch model. But it's important to note that there is a download limit of 50 tracks per playlist. To use Spotify on your Apple Watch, you'll need iOS 12 or newer, running watchOS 7 or newer. When you first run the app, it takes you to the basic playback control screen that is similar to the Now Playing app. The song, title, and artist display in the top part of the screen. In the controls below, you can play pause, move ahead one track, move back one track, control the volume with a digital crown, choose whether to add or remove a track from your library, and control the playback device. In most cases, you'll likely just be using it with your iPhone. However, I found this feature very powerful as I was able to switch playback between my iPhone and my Apple TV running the Spotify app from my Apple Watch. I thought this was really cool. When you switch devices, it moves the playback of the current track from one device to the other with a minor pause in the middle. Only downside I found is that the volume control on the Apple Watch does not control the music volume on my Apple TV when playing Spotify content. But still quite a useful feature to switch music from my Apple TV when I get home. When you swipe left from the playback screen, you can access your library or recently played tracks and playlists. When you swipe right, it tells you more about the current playlist. I've been testing the free version of Spotify and it's been quite useful. Even the free version allows you to control the music playback from your phone, including the volume for your headphones, just like the Now Playing app does for Apple Music, which I find very handy at the gym. You can leave your iPhone in your pocket while you adjust your music from your Apple Watch. However, if you do prefer using the Now Playing app on your Apple Watch, you can still use it to control the music once it's been started in the Spotify app. The only benefit I can see controlling it this way is if you want to stream the music to AirPlay devices from your Apple Watch, such as HomePods or AirPlay-compatible speakers or devices. Overall, the Spotify Apple Watch app has really become quite powerful. And with a premium membership, you don't even need your iPhone to be present to use Spotify anymore. I think that would probably be great for those Apple Watch Ultra people who want to listen to some music or a podcast on the go. Do you use Spotify on your Apple Watch? How do you find the Apple Watch app? Did I miss any features you use? If so, please feel free to share them with the rest of us along with any thoughts or questions you may have about Spotify on the Apple Watch in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos. See you in the next one.